Okay, hello everybody. I will be showing you my redstone creation that I've made. So, this is a pretty simple redstone thing, and I'm pretty sure you could do it in your survival world. If you found redstone, you've made repeaters, you have observers, you have sticky pistons, redstone blocks. Okay, that's maybe a bit too hard to make, but like hoppers, trap chests, you get the idea. I mean, if you have a pretty good Minecraft world, then yeah, you could probably do it. So, as we have this hopper right here, you just drop an item into there, run over here, and I have not done it right. And, oh no. I may have dropped all my redstone into there. It doesn't matter what item it is, you can drop anything in there. I have failed this horribly. Okay. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point, to be honest. There. Okay. You can grab your gold, put your gold back in, you know. And then you just have this here. You can put it back in if you want. So you can just put this into a hill. And then, basically, yeah. So I'll be showing you how it's made. So, we have a hopper here. And we have a trap chest here. There's my redstone. And I'm... Okay, stop. Calm down. Okay. Why am I randomly moving? Okay, there. So, when an item gets dropped into here, the observer receives an update, which powers the redstone signal all the way over here, repeater over here, then, just punch some of that out. Do not know what I'm doing. Then, as you can see here, these redstone blocks are powering these pistons, so if I just punch those out, pistons will retract. So, but if I put them back in, yep, they're just set on. I cannot speak today. They're set on, and then that's what triggers this. So, once we get a redstone signal, the redstone signal leads up all the way to here, which gets the piston, which goes to the pistons. Then, the pistons push the redstone blocks, and then, so basically it loses its signal. And it opens for a split second because the pistons go back, and then it just opens for a split second, and then you got a secret room. Here, I'll show you how to make this. And, there you go. That's how to make a secret room in Minecraft. I was just messing around with redstone one day, and then I just made this. Pop one in there, walk over in here, grab our gold, and just run off into the rain, something. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!